Hey folks, great to see you. Once again, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. If you need any help with your Google Ads campaigns, optimizations, landing pages, anything like that, just let us know. We're here for you. If you have any suggestions for this video or video series, drop them in the comments below. Or if you have a particular niche and region you'd like us to target with a video, just let me know. In this video, we're going to take a look at the region of Tampa Bay. Once again, we're going to look at the junk removal niche. Let's take a look at what we've got. Now, this niche is a little less competitive than some of the other ones that we've been looking at. Still competitive. Now, just for reference purposes, what we considered the Tampa region was Tampa, Lakeland, St. Petersburg, Clearwater. So that's what we targeted here. Let's take a look at the ad schedule for the 24-hour period that we ran. You can see there are quite a few ads running. Overnight, still 5, 6, 7 ads running, and during the day, up to 18 ads at a time in the region running for junk removal. Okay, so let's look at the keywords that I chose to use here. In the keywords, we can see junk removal near me, junk haulers, junk hauling, junk pickup near me, and I used the 1-800-GOT-JUNK. It's a keyword that has a tremendous amount of search volume because of the brand awareness around 1-800-GOT-JUNK. So I included that because it's one you'd want to include in like a competitor's campaign. Let's look at the top advertisers in the area. It'll be curious to see if 1-800-GOT-JUNK is in there. So we'll sort this by ad count with the highest being at the top. We've got college hunks hauling junk, junk punks, dad and son hauling. 1-800-GOT-JUNK is in there, but it's not at the top. And then junk Tampa. So let's take a look at the top one up here. College hunks hauling junk. Is that a national player or a local? Let's take a look at their ads. Same day junk removal, same day service in St. Pete. They localized their ad copy. That's nice. Same day junk removal, credit cards accepted. Take control of your space. Call or book online today. Not seeing a lot of extensions used. No offers in the copy. There's some extensions there. Let's take a look at the landing page. It is localized to St. Petersburg. Okay. That's solid. Affordable save day junk removal, free estimate. There's a phone number. Okay, that's a decent landing page. And I suspect that they serve quite a few areas, locations. Yeah, they're a national player. Okay, that makes sense. Let's look at number 2 in the region. That would be Junk Punks. That's a great name. Junk Punks, same day junk removal, free quote, Junk Punks removal service, same day junk removal, furniture removal service. Not a lot of extensions, no offers. Similar ad copy, there's some extensions there. There's an offer right there. Should put that in the headline, in my opinion. Let's take a look at their landing page. Goes to Junk Punks, book online. A little slow load here. That's never a good look. There it comes. Pop. Okay. Find junk punks near you. So I'm assuming, once again, this is a national or big time player. Just a form. I don't really like that. Form's fine, but there's no marketing on that page. Interesting. Okay. So I'm not a fan of your landing page, junk punk. Just so you know. In case you care. Let's look at number 3. Dad and son hauling. I like the name. Let's look at their ads. All junk removal. Low price. Affordable. We know what they're aiming for. They're trying to come in low ball on the price. Same day service. Free quote. Everyone does that. Family owned. Okay, that's cool. No offers. Nothing exciting, no numbers, but I do like the little parentheses, low price in there. I have some extensions in here. Cool. Let's see what their landing page looks like. Looks like we'll probably go to the website. Oh, can't miss the quote form. That's kind of cool. St. Petersburg. Junk removal. Phone number. I wish they had a clickable, mobile-friendly phone number on here. I mean, you don't really need a slider for the same picture, but not terrible. Let's take a look at who our 4 and 5 advertisers are in the area. 1-800-GOT-JUNK and Junk Tampa, which I would presume would be a local company. And you've got quite a few advertisers in this niche, as I noted previously. So that's the Tampa Bay junk removal region and niche. If you have any questions about this, you'd like to see something like this run for your region or a region and a niche, drop your comments below. Once again, Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Reach out to us if you have any Google Ads questions at all. We've got lots of solutions. Talk to you soon.